So rather than spending this later part of the day sitting on our coons, we decided that we would go out and walk on another trail. This is a really good trail, actually. I like this small path. I really hope I hope that we're on the right one. It's like we're walking in this jungle maze that gets to that hidden lost forest jungle palace, okay, like in Mowgli.
We have no idea. We came out here to look for a waterfall, but we lost cell reception.
Okay, so I guess we're turning around now. This is a cool trail, it's just not the one. When in doubt, park next to all the parked cars and see if you can find something. I like the sound of the water. I can hear it. Over there. There is so much to do here. There's so much to explore. This place is just amazing. Look, they got a bridge. Wow. You found the lost trail that goes to the city of Mowgli. I wonder if we'll find Baloo the bear here. Coming out to see this waterfall or just being on this trail just brightens up my daydreams. Alright, so we have about only 9 minutes until the sun goes down, so we're running for the 1.5 miles trying to get to see that waterfall at the end. And it's just a great reason to run on the trail. I love it. The river's growing as we go down. It just gets louder and louder. And then we're gonna get to the waterfall and it's gonna be like Roar! We're crossing over this river, and it's getting wider, but the waterfalls can be down that way, and then we're gonna find a pink and black ribbon and then follow it to the right, and that should be like where the waterfall is. Running through this forest is like reminding me of like some of my dreams where I just would dream of just like running through the forest. So cool. Hey guys, I'm living this dream by walking into the freedom of all that God has for me. This place is incredible. This is like directly out of Mowgli, the Jungle Book. You think we'll meet Bagheera or Baloo on the trail? Mowgli for sure. We might have already passed by Mowgli.
He looks a little bit Mowgli.
This bridge is one that Mowgli might have carved himself when he was lost inside this jungle. He might have made that bridge. This place is so cool. Oh, look at that rock. Spectacular view. Oh. There's that little pink ribbon holding onto the rope.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we're definitely coming up to it. I can hear the waterfall down there.
Probably 300 feet plus straight down over here, wrapped around the rock. And you can see there's waterfalls coming in here. We have all that waterfall over there to check out. There's a lot, but going back up is going to be crazy. There's ropes all the way down, so it's going to be dark. We're going to be doing stair steppers till our legs give out.
It's going to be beastly. I just hope we don't run into Baloo, unless he's a friendly bear. This thing is something else though. This is a really nice place. This is a good Stairmaster trail, I guess. I mean, I'm sweating on the way down. Looks like we gotta go across the river there on that tiny 2x4. Ah. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, God, thank you. This might not be a gigantic waterfall, but this is a really cool rapid falls kind of area. On the trail, next to the waterfalls, next to the river. Bigger rapids over that way. Soaking in the moment of me next to this beautiful river and this waterfall, and got my buddy James down there. Oh, this is great. They got this like island out here in the middle. Right over there. I got to the middle of the island. I had to jump over some rocks, but I'm here. So I'm right inside of the middle of this like valley between the forest, and I guess that's just where water is. Like that's just where rivers are, in the middle of valleys between mountains, in the middle of a forest. And I love it. I won't risk it this time, but if I had more time, I'd be trying to get over to that big rock. So, I'm walking back, and this trail has been exhausting. I'm gonna take my time, pace myself until my heart rate comes to normal. There's fireflies out here. This is my first time ever seeing fireflies. I can hear the sound of the waters beneath the ground. As I walk, I see the fireflies all around me.